So class 10, chapter 2nd, polynomials, and continuation with this topic. We start a zero of the zeros of polynomials. Zero of polynomials. Zero of polynomials. Or zeros of polynomials. Suppose that p of x is the polynomial as ax plus b. So 0 of this polynomial is the value of variable in which the polynomial becomes 0. Means if we find the value of x such that the function means the polynomials at that value of x becomes 0, so we call 0 polynomial. So for it, suppose that we assume as 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. So we find the value of x in which this part becomes 0. So there are two methods generally. First, hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. So by hit and trial method first hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. So this is 2x plus 4. We put x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. So we put 2 into 0 plus 4, that is 0 plus 4, it becomes 4. Again at x is equal to 1, so 2 into 1 plus 4, that is 2 plus 4, it becomes 6. And we can see that if we put positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, the values increasing order. So we try to negative integers and x is equal to minus 1. We put x is equal to minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus 4, that is minus 2 plus 4 means 2. Again x is equal to minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 plus 4, that is minus 4 plus 4, it becomes 0. So means at x is equal to minus 2, means at x is equal to minus 2, this polynomial becomes 0. Means p of minus 2. We put the value of x is equal to minus 2 in this polynomial. So it becomes 2 into minus 2 plus 4, that is minus 4 plus 4 means 0. So p of minus 2 is equal to 0, means this value of x at which the value of polynomial becomes 0. So this value is called the 0 of polynomial. So we can write as many 0, it may be more than 1 0. So we can write zeros. So p of minus 2, it means so zeros of polynomials. So definition of zeros of polynomials means the value the value of variable, at which the polynomial becomes zero means the value of polynomials becomes zero. It means the value of polynomials becomes zero is called the value of the variable is called the zero of polynomial. Zero of polynomial means in this polynomial x is equal to -2, so -2 is zero of polynomial, means x is equal to -2 is the zero of this polynomial of the polynomial x 2x plus 4 twice x plus 4. So 0 of this polynomial is x is equal to -2. So -2 is the zero of this polynomial. So this is the one method which is called hit and trial method, which is lengthy method and time taken method. So there is one another method which is called a direct method. So in which method actually we have to find the value of variable at which the function becomes zero. So by this method we put the value of polynomial is equal to 0. Means we put p of x is equal to 0 and then solve the equation which we find, means 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. It becomes equation. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we find 2x is equal to -4. Then x is equal to -4 by 2. It becomes -2. So x is equal to -2 means x is equal to -2 is the 0. The 0 of polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 4. So this is the direct method to find the 0 of polynomials. The 0 of polynomials. The next example is p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Now we have to find the zeros of this polynomial. So we solve it by second method, that is direct methods. So p of x is equal to 0. We put p of x is equal to 0 means x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We factorize it 6 as 2 into 3 and 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So by middle term, split of middle term, so we can write it as 3 plus 2 x plus 6, and we know that 6 is written as 2 into 3 and 5 is written as 2 plus 3. So we can write 5 the middle term, 5 split as 2 plus 3 form. So it becomes x square plus 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into x, 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So if we take x as a common, so x plus 3, here 2 is common, so x plus 3 is equal to 0. From these two terms, x plus 3 is common, So we take x plus 3 is common. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again, we know that if product of two terms is 0, means the product of two numbers is 0, it means either one number is 0 or second number is 0 or both of them are zeros. So if x plus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0, this implies that x is equal to minus 3, and if x plus 2 and x plus 2 or is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, this implies that x is equal to minus 2. So we can say that x is equal to minus 3, minus 2 are zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Here's very important point is that the number of zeros is equal to the degree of polynomial. So if a degree of this polynomial is 2, so the maximum number of zeros will be 2. So we will find 2 zeros for quadratic polynomial. It may be same or means it may be equal or distinct, as we can see one another example as suppose that p of y is equal to x square plus p of y, so y square 4y plus 4. Now we have to find the zeros. So for zeros we will put p of y is equal to 0. So it becomes y square plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. By a split of method, or we can see that y square plus 2 into y plus 2 square. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write it as y plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. It means there are two terms, y plus 2 and y plus 2, both are same, equal. So if y plus 2 is equal to 0, this implies that y is equal to minus 2. And the second factor is also gives y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 and minus 2. There are two zeros which are identical, means equal zeros. So the number of zeros of polynomials is always equal to the degree of polynomial. So there are both the zeros are equal, means identical. It may or may not be. Here both are different, distinct zeros. They are equal zeros. So we can solve it, and we'll solve it as a factorized method, and we use here as a plus b whole square method. So which method you like easy, you can solve it.